It's okay to state a range. I think just caveat it with, hey, these are some numbers based on other clients we've helped, just to give you a sense. It's always my preference to have a conversation if you'd like to take that next step. Hey, everybody. Great to be back with you. I'm Shannyn Lee, the managing director at Win Without Pitching. And I just had a question come in from one of our clients on the Slack channel that all of the folks who have been through some form of Win Without Pitching training get together and just share ideas and ask questions and get some help. It's a good channel. It's a robust channel. I really love it. I love all the learning that happens in there and the questions that are asked. The question today was about, do I state a price or our fees in an email response? If somebody reaches out to you or responds to an email that you send to them and says, yeah, I'm interested in learning more, how much, do you respond with pricing? So you can look at this a lot of different ways. I think one way to assess, do I respond with pricing or not, is if you have a lot of these inquiries that come in where people are asking about how much does this cost, tire kickers, it might be that you want to have some form of response that is used to just kind of vet, right? To see, like, should I even have a conversation with this person or not? It might also signal that there's something going on with your positioning, that you're getting outreach from that many people who maybe are price sensitive. It may be a clue that something's going on with positioning that you need to take a look at and make some adjustments around. You may be viewed as commoditized, for example. You're attracting the wrong kind of buyer. Maybe your messaging isn't right. But I don't think there's anything wrong with giving people a sense, right? Like, I'll get these questions as well when people reach out to us. And if my sense is, oh, I'm not sure, right? If they can afford us, I will just simply let them know. It's great to hear from you. We have a variety of ways that we train people. One of them is our public workshop, which you can attend for $2,795 per seat. Here's when the next one is happening. On the other end of the spectrum is a private training engagement, which can range from 100,000 on the high to 30,000 on the low, and maybe something in between. We'll want to have a conversation if you're interested in that route to kind of assess what's going on. If these align with what you're thinking, let's set up a conversation. So there's nothing wrong with doing that. I think the goal is we want to have conversations, because a lot of times if you can have a conversation, things unfold differently. And that client may come in having thought, I only want to spend this, but you, through the course of the conversation, demonstrate the value that can be created. So they're willing to open the purse strings differently. It's okay to state a range. I think just caveat it with, hey, these are some numbers based on other clients we've helped, just to give you a sense. It's always my preference to have a conversation if you'd like to take that next step. So food for thought today on what do you do when you state pricing in an email. Hope that's helpful, everybody. Have a great day out there, and please send your questions my way. I love to answer anything I can on our YouTube channel. I'm at Shannyn at winwithoutpitching.com, Shannyn, Shannyn. All right, take care. Cheers.